Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my stickers at home without printer, sticker paper or shredded cutter. So first, all you need to do is grab a chart or a paper, just sketch out whatever designs you want. Today, I use this BT21 emojis because I just love them. So all you need to do is just sketch them out and color them. If you don't want to draw, then no problem. Just go find some design from the internet and just print it out. So once you finish drawing, just cut them out. First, you will need a wax paper or butter paper, masking tape, and scissors. First, add a layer of masking tape on the wax paper. Place your pictures on them. And then add another layer of masking tape on the top. Your stickers are almost ready to use, guys. Just cut the excess. Please be careful when you do this. And yes, we have our stickers here. Just peel off the wax paper behind it and then your sticker is ready to use. Be careful that you pull out only the wax paper and not the tape. I'm gonna paste this in my doodle book. In case if you can't pull out the wax paper, just use a sharp object to create a scratch on the wax paper so it will be easy to pull it out. So guys, it is very easy. You can create your stickers in less than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.